Okay, this is the final part, part 5 of the Unit 6 test review, and we have 3 questions to look at. All right, number 7 says, which expression is a factor of 25x squared minus 29? All right, this is one of our special expressions here where we have the difference of two squares, okay? 25 is a perfect square, 5 times 5, so 25x squared would be 5x times 5x. And then 49 is also a perfect square. It's 7 times 7. So what we have here is what's called the difference of two squares. And when we have the difference of two squares, you can take the square root of both of these numbers. So again, the square root of 25x squared equals 5x. And the square root of 49 equals 7. So these are your two terms, and you're going to end up adding them one time and subtracting them one time in order to factor the difference of two squares. So what we have here is 5x plus 7 and 5x minus 7. All right, so one of the factors is the 5x plus 7. All right, and then question number 11, what factors represents 49x squared plus 36y squared? Well, you will notice that 49x squared is a perfect square. That would be 7x times 7x. The square root of that is 7x. And the square root of 36 is 6. So the square root of 36y squared is 6y. However, these two terms are being added together. So this is not the difference of two squares. Okay, so you're actually not going to find a term. This actually was supposed to be another one of these that says it's not factorable. I don't see the list. It listed here, but it should say, I think D was the answer. It says is not able to factor, okay, or none of these. All right, and then this last one, which expression is equivalent to 36x squared minus 27x? Okay, now this is not the difference of two squares or anything like that, but you will see that 36 and 27, or 36x squared and 27x have a greatest common factor. There's a number and a variable that we can actually factor out. So 36 and 27 actually have a 9 in common, because 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 3 is 27. Now, we also have an x in common here, so we have x squared and x. That means we can also take out an x. Well, what is remaining is what we have to multiply. So 9x times 4x, and then minus 3. Okay, so this is the correct answer. 9x times 4x minus 3, which, and you can see that B was the correct answer. And that's the end of part 5.